there. I appreciate you being here. Welcome to Ancysartistry. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button to help my art channel grow. I really appreciate you doing that. So for today's painting, I have a wood round in 12 inches in diameter. I've already applied 3 layers of gesso to this wood piece, so I'm thinking it's good to go. Today I'm going to be trying another Dutch pour. This is a small area to work with, but I'm still going to attempt using my hair dryer. And the best part about today's painting is I have a unique color combination. So for the base, I'm going to be using bright aqua green by Liquitex. I'm going to use this as my base, and I'm going to be layering purples and magentas onto it. So let's see how this one works. So I've put down the base paint. I forgot to tell you earlier that the base paint and all the colors that I'm going to be using for layering has been thinned down using Floetrol and water. So the ratio that I use is 1 part paint to 2 part Floetrol and a little bit of water. And before every painting, I do a consistency check just to see if all of them have similar consistency. So let's move ahead and start layering the paints. I'm going to start with Dioxizine purple to make my design. Okay, so that's going to be my design. Next color is Quinacridone Rose by Amsterdam. I'm also going to add a little bit of zinc white. And finally, I'm topping it off with Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex. That's it. Those are all the colors that I have. I'm going to add a little bit of the base color here. I'm going to pop the air bubbles here. Let's start with the hairdryer now. That worked out fine. I was thinking the hairdryer would be too much for this, but look, it worked out fine. I still will have to fix all these petals, but looks all right. Look at the color combination. Isn't that beautiful? I had my hesitation with this color combination. I thought it might make a little bit of mud, but it turned out beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and fix all these petals just a little bit. That's it. Beautiful color combination, beautiful composition, all in all, a beautiful painting. So let me get you down for a close-up now. So here we go with the close-up. This has turned out to be really pretty. I'm happy with the colors that I chose. The aqua green and magenta, they're working together very nicely. It's actually prettier than what I had expected. Turned out really beautiful. Yep, so don't forget to scrape those drips on the sides. Make sure you do it like a few times so the composition stays the way you want it to be. Look at the drips, that looks pretty too. Hopefully it'll give me nice skins to make jewelry too. Okay, that's it for today. If you have liked this painting, do hit that thumbs up button and please support my art channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Happy pouring.